Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about on the complete guide to setting up a virtual data room in 2023. Virtual data rooms are secure online repositories that allow businesses to share confidential documents with each other. Here is a step-by-step guide to setting up VDR in 2023. Choose a VDR provider. There are a number of different VDR provider available, so it is important to compare different features and pricing plan to find the best fit for your needs. Then create a VDR account. Once you have chosen a VDR provider, you will need to create an account. This typically involves providing your name, employee address, and company information. Then set up user permissions. Once you have created a VDR, you will need to set up user permission. This allows you to control who has accessed the VDR and what they can do with it. Then upload your documents. Once you have set up permissions, you can start uploading documents to the VDR. Be sure to organize documents into folders and subfolders to make them easy to find. Here are some additional tips for setting up a VDR. Use a secure VDR. When choosing a VDR, it is important to choose a VDR that has a good reputation for security. Look for a provider that offers features such as encryptions, two-factor authentications, and audit logging. Then organize your documents before uploading them to the VDR. This will make it easier for users to find the documents they need. Then use the VDR's permission to control who has access to each document and what they can do with it. And then share the VDR with other parties involved in the transaction as soon as possible. This will give them the time to review the document and ask any questions they may have. And last, monitor the VDR regularly. This will help you to identify any suspicious activity and to take corrective actions if necessary. Here are some of the additional tips for using VDRs effectively. Use the VDR search function to find the documents you need quickly and easily. And use the VDRs collaboration tools to comment on documents and ask questions. This can make it easier for multiple parties to work together on a transaction. Then use the VDRs and reporting analytics features to track user activity and identify trends. This information can be helpful for improving workflow and security. In last conclusions, by following these tips, you can set up a VDR that is secure and easy to use. This can help you streamline the due diligence process and improve security for next commercial transaction. So that's all everyone. I hope you will understand this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you again.